Alright, so you should be pretty easily able to see what we've got here. We've got the same Touch 7 and the same BB44 that you're working with, both mapped to physical devices. We'll go ahead and open up this, and you'll see there's a matrix mixer that only has 4 inputs, not the 6 that you had previously on there. That's because you can do the all call inside the mixer using presets, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So we'll open up here, and you can see that this can have little connect conditions. So we'll set up a condition for the Blu-ray, for example. Now you see that we've got this set up the way we want it to be for Blu-ray all call, Blu-ray 1 all call. So we'll close it, we'll right click on this, and then we'll choose Save Module to Preset. Create a new preset. We can name this whatever we want. We can name it Blu-ray 1 all. And now we open this up and we set the conditions for the next preset we want to mess with. So the next preset we want to mess with is CD1 all. Close it, we'll right click it, and we'll choose Save Module to Preset again, and this time we'll do CD1 all. And now that we're done with that, you'll see that in presets we've got those 2 that we named. They're sitting right up there, and I'll show you what to do with those in a minute. The next thing I want to show you is if you want to just set up certain conditions, like someone walks up and they want to select the CD player on zone 2 without affecting what's already selected on zone 1. What you do is you create the conditions you're looking for, which is here, and then you drag a box just around the part that you actually care about changing. So for example here, I missed it there. We'll go ahead and try this again. Drag a box around the part that you actually care about. That'll work there. Now you right click on that and you change the parameter value to preset, and now the preset is just for those particular parts right there. So we'll do this for CD2 zone 2. It's going to be organized in the actual touch panel, and I'll show you in a moment how that goes. So we'll do this, and we'll do a Blu-ray 2 also. So we'll go ahead and click somewhere outside of that. We'll go ahead and select the setting that we want it to be, drag a loop around it again. Once again, we'll right click on those and choose Save Parameter to Preset. There's our new preset. We'll name it Blu-ray 2. And now if you go up to System Presets, you'll see that the rest of those are there too. See, and you can fill up this with as many as you want, up to an absurd number. Now we'll open up the touch panel, and I'll show you how to get these. You hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and you drag it down there. Now that's a preset. That's a button, and that'll physically show up on your touch panel. Do the same thing with each one. And these, of course, were labeled when you created the preset. You can drag these into place, put them wherever they need to be, and resize them as necessary. So I didn't create any for zone 1 in this case. You can, you can move and do these however is most organized for your specific job. So now if we go into online mode, which will just take a moment to kind of mess with and get loaded into. We'll go with that. So now if you open this up, you should be able to see that the conditions are as they were last left. We'll go ahead and click on one of the first presets over here, just like you're tapping the button on the touch panel, and you can see that up here in the matrix mixer it has changed to what those conditions are. Now we'll click CD1 all, and you'll see that those will click over to CD1 all right there. Now the other ones that we had created with just the zone 2 conditions, when you click on that, that's going to move that only over on the ones that you had changed, on the ones that you'd selected. The other 2 will not. They're the ones for zone 1 will not, because those were not highlighted when you created that. So that's how you can get that to be individual to each zone if you want to. Preset management, if you want to go in here and remove them, you just put a check marks in each one of those in blueprint mode, and hit save, and it'll remove them. And also you can increase the speed at which they click over by unchecking during apply. So that should do it for you.